Hare Krishna. Welcome to Krishna's Cuisine. I am Bhuvan Sundari Radha Devidasi with a festive recipe. Today we will make Ekadashi special cherry walnut cake. This is an awesome cake which is so soft and extremely delicious. We will be making this cake with very basic ingredients which are available at home. It has a wonderful combination of cherries and walnuts to give extra crunch. So let's get started. First, let's take a mixing bowl and place a strainer. Add in 1.5 cup of buckwheat flour or kuttu ka atta, 1.5 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon powder. Sieve all these ingredients well. Instead of buckwheat flour, you can also use Rajgira flour. Our dry mixture is ready. Now quickly take a mixing bowl and add in 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons sunflower oil. If you use groundnuts oil, its smell will not incorporated in the cake. Next add 3/4 cup powdered sugar and whisk it really well. After the cake is baked, you won't feel like it is Ekadashi cake. It tastes just like the normal cake. Next, I am going to use 3 ripe bananas and with the help of fork, mash the bananas well. Bananas have been mashed. Now add the mashed bananas into this batter. And add 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons of curd. Now combine it well. Make sure you do not use sour curd. Our wet mixture is also ready. Now add all the dry mixture into the wet one. Mix it well. Make sure there are no lumps at all. I have listed down all the ingredients below in the description box. You can refer it. If you feel it is too thick, you can add some water. Here I will add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water and combine it again. Our batter is ready. You can see its consistency. In a bowl, I have taken 3 tablespoons of chopped walnuts. I will add some buckwheat flour. This ensures the walnuts do not settle down in our cake. Now add it in the batter. Further take 3 tablespoons of cherries. Add it. Now fold the batter inwards and combine it. Instead of walnuts, you can use other dry fruits as well. So our batter is ready. Now let's take a baking tin. This has 7-inch diameter. Onto this apply some batter. This ensures our butter paper does not move and remain intact. Similarly, cover the sides as well. You can also grease the tin with oil and dust with flour. Now, pour the batter into the tin. Let's tap the tin to remove the air pockets in the batter. Now add some cherries and few chopped walnuts for toppings. Now it's ready to get baked in the oven preheated at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes and now bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. If you want to bake this in cooker or pan, watch the sponge fruit cake recipe. I have provided its link in the description box below. Now let's bake the cake at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, our cake is baked. Let's check. Yes, it has come out clear. We will take it out and let it cool. After an hour, our cake has cooled. Let's take it out. Now peel off the butter paper. Our beautiful cake is ready. Let me cut and show you. It's wonderful. It is netted and just with perfect texture. You can see the cake is porous and soft. Our cherry walnut cake is ready. Let's place a tulsi leaf and offer to Lord Jagannath. Our Ekadashi special cherry walnut cake is offered and ready. Try out this Ekadashi. If you like bhoga recipes, please like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon below so you do not miss any bhoga recipe. Hare Krishna, Hari Bol, Happy Ekadashi.